Hello friend, this is Primson. In this video, I will show you how you can make a more than 2 or 10 WhatsApp account in your phone. But in this video, I will only show you 2 accounts. So making a 2 WhatsApp account, first you need to download 2 applications. First is Parallel Space Lite and second is Parallel Space. After the downloading the application, you need to open the application. I open the Parallel Space Lite. Okay, you can see it is open. Okay, now it's time to select the WhatsApp. I already add to Parallel Space. Take a time to add. Now it's open to WhatsApp. It is starting. So friend, you see our WhatsApp is welcome. So it's now time to create a new account on your WhatsApp. Okay, click on agree and continue. Now it's time to enter your phone number and click on next, and after the same function you make a WhatsApp. Now it's time to make a second WhatsApp account. So go to Parallel Space. You need to do the same function. Not really. Okay, now same function we apply on this application. Click on add app. Okay, now same select the WhatsApp and click on add to Parallel Space. Open the WhatsApp. So friend, you can see this is open. So now it's time to agree and continue, and same method to use make your account on WhatsApp. So by using these two applications, you can make a 2 WhatsApp account on your phone. Even you can make a more than 10 or 14 WhatsApp account on your phone. You just need to a different type of application. So if you like this video, please subscribe.